Okay guys, so today I will change batteries on a 2020 Cascadia Freightliner, and I have there, I believe it's originals like 725 or is it 750 crank. Let's get the gloves, get our tools, and let's start it. Let's get the power out first. It's in a cab or under cab. So the power is off. Let's get this thing off. There is a pull-up clips, one on each side. Let's pull the yellow, what is it, brackets, tabs, I don't know, just pull it. Here, let's pull the whole thing. So the whole thing is out. Then there is a pull-up clips that looks like this, so you push on it and pull it. So it's two of them. I got one is broken, I don't know why. Just like so. So next, the battery. So what I had, it's one of the batteries got hot, smoky and all that stuff, so I disconnected. So I was lucky that it was outside battery, not the inside battery. So let's get our tools. For tools we will have a, what is it, 15 probably, so it's 15 millimeters socket in range. I'll go with the, let me try 14. 14 is better, yeah. So 14 deep socket. This is the 6. So let's go ahead, take the minus off. So we'll do like one by one. Let's get rid of the minus first. So just make sure you get the nuts, because when you will take the core back, then they might take your nuts. So all the batteries is here, so shouldn't be easy. Be easy. I would say maybe to take the pictures also. So take the pictures of it, and this is it. In between batteries there is a different nut. There is different nuts, and it's gonna be 16 millimeter. So let me get the camera, better angle. I don't know if it's gonna be. So it goes really good. So there is two of them. So basically they hold the battery, so they will not go left and right. So get this ball, this nut, and other side, and the middle rail that holds the batteries, and we'll pull them out. Okay, so I took all the nuts from the negative. So there is two wires that goes on it. I think the one of it it's a power inverter, and the other one is just starter. So there is nothing green here, indicates really good, and I taped it so it will not touch the battery. So it's in a really good condition. Also I put a red spray so there is no corrosions. Okay, take it away. So let's get the mounting bracket, the battery mounting bracket off. Okay, so this is the bracket that holds the batteries. Pull out careful, because there is those things, it's for the your lead that goes on top of the battery. And now we need to take a plus, the plus line. By the way, if you have an APU is on the side, you have to get tighter. I took off all the plus wires that might go to the battery, might not, but for the safety I did disconnect them. So there is two mains, and one is probably the charging one, something just like that. I just got rid of all the nuts for the red one, for the positive. Let's leave that. So I just I'm lifting these red ones, and we can lift this thing and pull the batteries out. Outside is so hot, so I just lifted all the positive, lifting the plastic, rubber, and I can pull out every battery. So what kind of batteries I have here? Oh, it's 1000 cranking. It was a good battery. 1121. Oh wow. And they're hot. So this is practically a good battery, but no idea why they messed up. Okay, everything else looks good. Let's go ahead and retune the batteries and get the new ones in. Okay, so just got those batteries. It's 110 amps, so exactly the same. But I was in dealership, it was like 121, but they gave me 823. Hope that they didn't change the label, because I'm not gonna be happy. Who is gonna be happy with that? So let's go ahead and install them. And with the new battery, I use a battery terminal protector. So just spray on it and spray on those spray like everywhere, so it will prevent from the corrosion. It's supposed to be. So plus it's going there. So this one is going to be tough one. Okay, so plus there. So from the dealer it only comes with the plastic stuff, no nuts. last battery. So just put everything back. All the batteries are installed. Let's go ahead and install our rubber piece. It's gonna be a little bit challenging because we need to lift up the plus connectors. Oh wow, it's actually went really smooth. And put our plus on its place. Put some more of the, what is it, battery preventing corrosion stuff. And tied all the nuts back. So after we install the plus, let's go ahead and install our middle bracket. Let's lube it. Install them back. It's a 16mm socket. Okay, so when you're about to tie the bracket that holds the battery, first of all, go ahead and check if this minus cable is actually sits like good, because it might not sit right, you know, so you can move the batteries left and right. Yeah, these batteries need to be moved just a little bit on the side. Now we're good, and let's tie the batteries. Okay, so batteries are tied, and let's put back all the nuts for the minus. And there is a 1 or 2 wires at the very end. Spray some extra. So we're done with the batteries, and let's go ahead and install this lead back. Just like so. Tray is back. And the last step, to install the side scroll back. Real easy, clips on. Pull those pins. When you open door, it's actually easier. okay, everything is good.